Custodian is a powerful communications tool, making it easy for users to report equipment breakdowns in the workplace. To report a problem, click the red Submit Issue button, easily found in your Custodian dashboard. Or from the left menu panel, under Issues and Events, click Submit New Issue. Either method will open a new Submit Issue form. When the form opens, select the site of the issue. If possible, also select the area and the affected asset. It's important that you describe the issue and to indicate the severity of the problem by selecting the appropriate priority level. You can also select the user that you think is best suited to resolve the issue. This is optional. If you leave it blank, the site supervisor will assign the appropriate user. The last step, also optional, is to add a photo of the issue. This might be helpful to the supervisor who is assessing the issue. To add a photo, click the Uploads tab. Choose a file from your device and save. You should see a pop-up notification that the issue has been saved and another notification if you've uploaded a photo. A new issue has now been created, and the site supervisor will receive a notification by email, SMS text, and in their Custodian dashboard. Before work can begin to resolve the issue, the supervisor must first acknowledge the issue. The supervisor is responsible to review and assess the information provided by the user who submitted the issue, including any photos. The supervisor can then add any additional comments, notes, or instructions. They can investigate the issue themselves, or they can assign the issue to another user. The assigned user will receive email notification that a new work order has been assigned to them. The work order includes all the necessary details about the issue, including the priority and the time and date when the work should be completed. The email also includes a link to the issue within Custodian, so the user can log in and update the system as necessary. To see issues and events that have been assigned to you, from the left menu panel, click Issues and Events, then Work Assigned to Me. Clicking an event or issue in the list will display its details: the original work order with the due date, a description of the issue, and any attached images. You can then add your own comments to the issue. If the repairs were successful, click the Completed checkbox to mark the issue as resolved, and save. This closes the issue, and no further action is required. The site supervisor will then receive an email notification that the repairs have been completed. The supervisor will also see in their Custodian dashboard that the issue has been resolved.